Morning, folks. Welcome to Early World History. Today is your virtual learning day, so just gonna breeze through your lesson really quick so you can get this done today and not fall behind. So when you're in Early World History, you're gonna go to Modules, and you will see that published work for today is up. However, as I'm scrolling down to get to it, I do want to remind you, if you haven't completed assignments from last Tuesday or Wednesday, Thursday or Friday, if you finish early or if you're just kind of prioritizing a class and spending some extra time here today, that is a good way to spend that time. So today, Monday 10/19, here are your assignments. You have an opener, gallery walk notes. In that gallery walk, we're going to kind of be using that language even though we're doing it at our house by ourselves. And then you have the notes, the space that you're going to need to take your notes from right here. And then you have an exit ticket. All right, so you're going to start by telling me, thinking back on what we learned last week about civilizations and the beginning of civilizations, you're going to list as many characteristics of a civilization as you can remember. And that was the lesson that we did on Friday. Kind of general things that historians agree have to be present to be considered a civilization. So when you do that, you hit reply, type your response, and then hit post reply. All right, and then move into the next one. These gallery walk notes, you will see them when you log in, but because I'm logged in as student, I am just going to pull them up above. All right, folks, so because I have my student account up, I can't show you the documents, so I pulled them up in my Office 365. They should load for you right in the assignment, just like they always do. If they don't, please shoot me a text or an email, and I will fix any links as you need. So this is the gallery walk note sheet you're going to be completing, and you're going to be looking at these contributions or achievements. You're going to be describing them. You're going to highlight which civilization created them, and then you're going to talk about their impact, because all of these are notable for a very specific reason. When you go to highlight, and I am not saying this is the correct answer, you just highlight the text and then you can change the color. And that's how I know that you understood that looking at this cuneiform would be you're claiming it from Mesopotamia, okay? And then you're going to fill out the other two boxes as you move through the notes. All right, so these are all of the things you're going to be looking for. And again, you're going to highlight the civilization where this is found. You're going to explain what it was, describe the achievement or the innovation, and then look at the impact. You're going to do that using these River Valley gallery walk posters. All right, so you're going to move through and use these documents to help you complete those note sheets. Okay. I hope if you have any questions, you again shoot me a text. Just reach out however you need so that you can be productive today. Once you read through the contributions and innovations, and once you read through and get your note sheet done and you hit submit, at the bottom of your assignment, at the end of the assignment, you have a quick exit ticket. So out of everything you just looked at, which contribution or innovation do you think was the most significant or important? And the key here is to explain your answer. You have to kind of support yourself. This is because, or this was the most significant because. So you're just kind of adding that additional statement. Again, when you're done, if you finish early and you have extra time, go back in the modules and see if there's anything you haven't finished, as we are going to be wrapping up this module this week. Also, don't hesitate to go into your grades and check out and see what you're missing, even from prior weeks. Again, don't hesitate to text or call me or shoot me an email if there are any issues. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow in person, and I look forward to seeing you in our virtual classroom Teams meet on Thursday. Bye.